Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today we are going to look at uh, you know, some of the markets and answer some questions and look at the stock market. See if you guys think that the market will continue to go lower, or you think that this is a rebound and basically we are going to go right back to the highs. So I want to definitely keep you guys updated. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, especially if you want to learn how I'm able to day trade from home full time, only using the charts. I use no indicators, no nothing, no news. I don't care about none of that stuff. All right, hit that subscribe button if you're definitely interested in that. I specialize in making money now in OW, because I don't have time to be waiting 5, 10, 12, 20 years from now, because we don't know what's going to happen. Okay, we don't know if your investment is going to be around that time. So you have to specialize in making money now. So let's get the party started. Let me make sure that you guys can hear me and that my live stream is working. I'm gonna definitely get to you guys questions, but overall, shout out to everybody that's here. Let's see if this live stream is on. Let me see. I think the live stream is on. All right. It says live. Okay, 5 people. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's here, guys. If you are here, let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if my mic is legit. Let me make sure. Shout out to everybody. Okay, I hear myself. Okay. All right, so let's go to the stock market. Right now, I'm at the Nasdaq. That's what I day trade. I day trade the Nasdaq. So overall, it's looking weak. So let's go to the daily chart real quick. All right. So what do I see? We had a nice little sell off. Okay, and then we decided to bounce February 28th. Right. We did a nice bounce from here. Now, notice how you see how this breakout right here. Notice how it went to this breakout right here, all right, and we are finding some type of resistance. So, my thing is a strong possibility that we can actually find resistance right here and roll over, okay, and we can probably make new lows. So if we make new lows, it's going to be very, very interesting. Very, very interesting, because number one, we have this big breakout right here. So if we make new lows, there's a strong possibility we can go all the way back down to this breakout. Okay, so we're talking about wiping out so much gains. All right, so much gains in a matter of months. That's crazy. Let me show you how crazy. Let me show you how crazy the stock market is. And guys, this is guys. Let me know if you can hear me. I see 7 people watching. Look, guys, let me know if you can hear me. All right. And if you have any questions, type it in. But let me show you how crazy this is, guys. Let me show you how crazy this is. We have. Let me see. Let me zoom out real quick. Zoom in, I mean. Make sure. All right, so let me zoom out, okay? Now, let me show you how crazy. This is why I love when the market crashes, guys. Well, it's not crashing right now, but this is why I love when the market sells off, okay? Now, let me show you exactly what I mean. December, right? We went to December 03, the lows of 03, okay? So we're talking about December, right? January, February, and we are in March right now. So we basically saying that, okay, close to 3 months, right? 3 months gains wiped out in how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days wiped out close to 3 months of gains. All right, 7 days, guys. This is why I love when the market decides to sell off, because the market sells off much quicker. You can get more gains. You can get more money. All right, 7 days, wiped it out. Boom. Okay. So now the question is, are we going to continue, or are we going to basically continue to go up or down? Let me hear you guys, thoughts. And guys, if you are in this live stream, if you have any questions, type it in. Overall, guys, if you have any questions about day trading or the markets, let me know. But overall, guys, this market right now still looks weak. But we're going to definitely go to some questions. Let's see what's going on. Meanwhile, while we go to some questions, let's look at the 5-minute real quick and see what the NASDAQ is doing. So the NASDAQ is looks like it's trying to probably go lower. Let me go to my 1 minute, okay? Because of this, I was trading the NASDAQ today. I was definitely trading the NASDAQ today. And right now, on the NASDAQ, I'm up like $900 on the NASDAQ for the day. Which is okay. Of course I want more, but I can't complain about $900 working from home. But overall, I'm trying to see what's going on with this NASDAQ right here. This is the 1 minute. So basically, this is what I'm looking at right now, right? This is the 5-minute chart. We bounced off of some support right here. We can't even go even higher. We can't even close above this high. So it's a strong possibility we can test these lows again. We do have to worry about this support, but it's a possibility we can roll over again. All right. But shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's see if I see any questions here. What's going on, bro? All right, Leonard, what's going on? Leonard, what's going on? Bobby, George, Savage, what's going on? Glad you made some money, Ben. Way to go. I mean, basically, most of you guys know I day trade from full time from home, so that's what I do. For you guys that wants to let me show you. Some of you guys don't even believe sometimes. All right, hold on for a second. Because some of you guys don't believe nothing. Okay, you can look at in the corner right here, the $900 right here I made for the day. It's cool, but that's what I specialize in, guys. This is what I do. Okay. So hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about that. But overall, let me read some questions here. Like I said, right here, we have a nice little support area, so we can definitely see some bouncing right here. Okay. You see how the market is going up right now, so strong possibility we can definitely see another bounce, but we'll see. And it's the 5-minute chart of NASDAQ overall. So let's see what's going on with these questions, guys. Leonard said, "Don't worry, Ben. The Fed won't let us make new lows. They control the money system." That is true, okay. But at the same time, if you look at the market itself, okay, it's ready, bro. It's ready, okay. It's ready, and the thing about the Fed is basically they can hold the market up, okay. They can keep going up with this, but eventually it's going to fall. You have to keep that in mind, okay. If this is not it, it's going to be, sometime in the future. Eventually, it's going to fall. Now, is this it? I don't think this is the ultimate fall. But do I think we will continue to go lower? Right now, it looks like it's a strong possibility we can go lower. Okay. I'm looking at the resistance. I'm looking at everything. The way the market is looking. Yeah, it looks like a strong possibility we can actually go and make new lows. All right. Like I said before, we have the ability to drop, right, and bounce right back up. But we are due for some type of correction. They can't keep on going up. All right, it's impossible. What goes up must come down. That's how it works. That's how it works. So let's go back to some more questions. Hey, what's going on, Bobby? Bobby said he's on jury duty. Shout out to you, bro. You're on break now. Recess over 15 minutes. Yeah, I hate jury duty. Man, I hate it, bro. I mean, that's I mean, I'm not gonna say nothing about that, but yeah. I'm here, bud. What's going on, George? Listening while I'm at work. Okay, shout out to you, bro. George is listening while he's at work. Bobby, hopefully I don't get picked as a juror. I feel you, bro. I feel you, man. There's ways. Well, I'm not even gonna talk about it, but let me see. It's going down, bro. So Leslie Savage believes that it's going down. Yeah, I believe we will continue to make new lows too. So we will see. Okay, let's see what the 5 minute is doing. Let's go to that 5 minute real quick. The market is still live. It's still up and running. I'm looking at the NASDAQ right now. We are having problems around the support area, but probably eventually we might probably make new lows. Let's go to some more questions here. Guys, anybody that wants to be a day trader, guys, anybody that's on this live stream that wants to be a day trader, you really have to dedicate and put in some hours, guys. All right, this is not day trading. Is not something that you can just do overnight. I know some of you guys see my videos and automatically you think since I'm doing it, you can do it too. And I'm not saying that you can't do it. What I'm saying is stop thinking that you could just come in and the next day or the next week or next month you're doing my numbers. No, it doesn't work like that. I see so many people come in this industry, right? And they get caught up in the hype and they lose a lot of money because they think it's just, you just press a button, that's it. All right? But it's not like that, guys. You really have to put in the time. I actually post this. Let me see if I could get the picture. I post a picture because I saw it on Instagram somewhere. Some guy said it takes a doctor 6+ years, right, to go to school. It takes a lawyer 6+ years. It takes I forgot what else he was saying, but everybody that wants to be a day trader, they want to make money tomorrow. It's funny, right? It's crazy. So guys, make sure that you put in that work. Make sure you study every single day. Let me read some more questions. So you said it's all fake. The virus, all pumps, dumps, all to move over long plan, blockchain economy. The whole game is rigged. I mean, yeah, we all know the whole game is rigged. Okay, we all know that. So me personally, I'm like, okay, since I know, because you have to understand, we have people out here that don't even know the game is rigged. So if we say that to other people, they would think automatically we some conspiracy theorists, whatever the case is, right? But we all know the game is rigged. So we have to say, okay, now we know the game is rigged. How can we make money in a rigged game? Okay, how can we make money playing the same games these guys are playing? A Fed worker said they might close the stock market for months if the virus spreads. I doubt it, man. I mean, if they close, why would they close the stock market for months? That don't make no sense. That makes no sense. I never heard that in my life. But I'm not worried about that. I just keep going. I ain't worried about these guys in the news and the rumors. I just keep going. Let me see. You said is all a scan to transfer block. You said everything transfer everything over to blockchain. Um, you saying I don't know, man. I know eventually they want to basically make everything digital. So the market right now, the Nasdaq is selling off right now. Okay, it can't hold support. It can't hold support right here. So most likely we'll make some new lows right here. Okay. Let me look at my 1 minute. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Yeah. So overall, we are making lower lows right here. Okay, right at the support area. So most likely we probably will break lower and continue to make new lows. We'll see. We will see. Let's read some more questions here. Yeah, I mean, like I said before, eventually we will probably, have some digital cash or whatever the case is. But overall, I'm gonna make this live stream quick though, because I don't know what my daughter is doing. She's supposed to be sleeping right now, and my wife just left, and my daughter's supposed to be sleeping, but I see her up acting crazy. But anyway, let me see here. What are you invested in, George? And George, I don't do long-term investments. The only long-term things I do is basically swing trading. All right, that's the best, and that's not even long-term. That's only a couple of days or a week or two. But no, I don't. The reason why I don't like long terms is because if you understand the game and you understand how it's played, and if you don't have a certain amount in your bank account, long term is really not the game to be playing right now. That's my opinion. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. You can speed up the replay by hitting the settings, 1.5 or 2. Let me see here. Do we have a bullish divergence on a 4-hour frame on the Nasdaq? I don't know, bro. I don't really look at divergence. Okay, so I can't tell you if it's gonna work or not. You know what I mean? I don't like bullish divergence at all. I mean, actually, divergence is not bad. All right, that's the only probably when it comes to indicators, the only thing I'll probably look at would probably be divergence. But no, I mean, let me see if I see. Let me look at some type of. I don't know what indicator you're looking at. Let me see, bullish divergence. I don't know what indicator you're looking at. I'm looking at the stochastics. I don't see any divergence, so I don't know what indicator you're looking at. Let's go to some more questions here. I'm listening. You said I'm listening at a Buffett making that money. What's up? What's going on, Jesus? Ben, I have taken your advice and I have made money short in BTC. You didn't take my advice because I never gave you that advice. I never give advice on this channel, so But I understand what you're saying. You said it feels good not having to wait for a paycheck. Yes, okay. So that's basically the mindset I'm trying to get have you guys have because you can create your own paycheck, plain and simple. That's it. All right. Yeah, the market looks like it's trying to probably go down, but we'll see. We can. What I'm looking at right now is a possible another move to the upside. Okay. Now, if we do have another move to the upside and we fell at the highs, then this is a strong possibility we could roll back down. So we are not in the clear yet. I don't think this might not be the move that brings us all the way down. We're probably gonna have another move up, but it all depends on how bad they sell this right here. All right. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let's look at. I didn't look at Tesla in a minute. Let's look at Tesla real quick. Yeah, Tesla. I remember I talked about Tesla before. I told you guys that if Tesla breaks this breakout right here and goes below it, most likely that's not a good sign. Notice how it broke this. It went below this breakout and it pulled back and is finding resistance right here. So possibility we can sell off. We'll see though. Overall, guys, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know, guys. Let me know. Let's look at that 5 minute real quick. At 1 minute, yep. So we making new lows. This is it right here. So we're making new lows right here. Okay. Remember, we couldn't. We was at support right here, guys. We was at support. All right. Let's go to the 5 minute. We was at support right here, but that support wasn't holding up. We try to go higher. We couldn't go higher, and now the sellers are coming in. So this was a nice little move right here. So we will see how low these guys will go. Let's go to some more questions here. Someone said, "Can I check Bitcoin?" Yeah, in a second. This is a great time to make money. Exactly. Shout out to you, Leslie Savage. You said I was looking at the MACD. Yeah, but I don't really see overall. Even if I check the MACD, I can't really tell you if that's a good divergence or not, because I'm more looking at price action, and price action right now on the Nasdaq doesn't show any bullish signs yet. So your divergence wouldn't even make sense for me because I don't see any bullish signs yet. Let me see here, guys, and I'm outside in my backyard, so if you hear something, let me see, guys. You said loving your advice, bro. I want to join your thing, man. Yeah, come join the team. I show I can show you exactly what I'm doing every single day, and that's what I do, bro. I love doing this every single day. The link's in the below in the description, so check that out. Let me see right here. You said you got to start. Yeah, man. Knowledge is power, guys. Once you understand the right things. What's going on, Button Sky? What's going on, Button Sky? Make that money. Shout out to you. Thanks for the live stream. Your estimation on the low in the US. You said my estimation on the low. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Can you tell me what you mean by that? Why you guys ask me some more questions, guys. I'm gonna look at Bitcoin real quick, and guys, hurry up with your questions because I'm going to basically end this live stream very soon. Right now, my daughter's supposed to be sleeping, but now she's running around in her room. But let me see here. Let's go to the BTC real quick. So BTC. All right, so BTC, remember, guys, we talked about this right here, trend line, right? We talked about this. I said, BTC has to find support around this area, all right? If it doesn't, then most likely you guys are in trouble. Now the buyers came in at this trend line. Now we have another area right here. The buyers have to break through, so we have to wait to see what they do around this area, because remember, this is a breakout. Now it's pulling back to the breakout. Once it pulls back to the breakout, it could do a couple of things. They could push up to the breakout, consolidate, and break right through it, or it can find resistance and go right back down. So you better hope it doesn't go back down. All right, so someone is asking me about Dow, guys. Be specific with your questions. Yeah, that. Like I said, let me see your question again. Let me see if I can understand your question. You said that estimating on the low and the close of yours 30 today. The bottom. What about the bottom? What about the bottom? Let me know. What exactly you want to know about the Dow bottom? Okay, this is the low for the day right here. Right now, things look like it's going to probably crack this low. Okay, most likely. You saw the Nasdaq already made a new low. So if the Nasdaq made a new low, there's a strong possibility this will probably make a new low too. All right. Look how weak this looks. It looks very weak. We're cracking right now as we speak. So I don't know exactly your question is. I don't know your questions, but yes, guys, hit the likes before you leave. Hit those likes. If you want to learn anything that I do, just go to the description, and that's about it, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you have any more questions, I'll give you guys 2 more minutes. But other than that, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are good. All right. The best way to, go through life is just basically ignore all the hate and just keep going. That's it. You're gonna get haters. You're gonna have people talk bad about you behind your back. All right. But you gotta keep going. None of that stuff matters. None of that stuff. Why do you care about what the next guy is saying? Right? That guy is not putting money in your pocket. That's why I shake my head, to my haters. Why they think about me so much? Like, I'm not putting money in your pocket. So why do you think about me that much? Okay, it's the way I do things is I love to basically, be a guy that, lead with examples, right? Action is louder than words. So I keep doing what I'm doing. Now look at the Dow, guys. The Dow is basically looks like it's going to create a new low. So the market overall, guys, looks weak. Definitely looks weak. I'm about to get out of here. Let me see if I see any more questions. You said the BTC. Yeah, I hear you, bro. All right, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm out of here. Hit those likes. Hit that like button. Yeah, I know. I hear you, bro. I hear you. Hit those like buttons before you leave. And other than that, guys, have a blessed day. I love all my subscribers. Shout out to everybody that's here. Please make sure that you improve as a person, improve as a trader, investor, and have a great day, guys. All right. Until next time.